Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Civitatis application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So this application provides you with different destinations and activities for them. So for example, you can search for a city or or a place, and then you will be able to find different activities. This one is in New York, for example. You can narrow down some filters if you are further interested in different categories and characteristics. You can set a price range, of course, and if you are interested in any of them, just click on that, and you will be able to see all the like description on the program, the prices for different persons, the cancellation policy, the meeting point. So you can check the meeting point by a map, so it's the most specific, but you can save the destination for later by clicking on the heart button at the top of the page, and you can also go to the like the personal section and like edit different personal datas like billing information. You can add the credit card, and you can have this Civitatis balance, which means that you have money on the application, so you don't necessarily have to use your credit card all the time. And yeah, so overall it's a really nice application if you want to search for any activities within cities. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.